So I'm going to talk about the subconscious versus the unconscious. And I use both terms, and really they come from different models of the mind. So when we use the terminology subconscious, then the subconscious is everything that's outside of your conscious awareness, and that would include the place where inspiration comes from, or the place where ideas come from. Right? You have a inner being or a higher self, and that piece is actually captured in the subconscious. So the subconscious includes the higher self and the unconscious. And so the robot and that deeper thinking part of you is all contained in that subconscious term, whereas the unconscious term refers to simply the robot body, your memory, and then your higher self. In the NLP model of the mind, we talk about the conscious versus the unconscious, and then beyond that is the higher self. So the higher self is another level of mind and a different connection. And the higher self, we can call that as well the subconscious. We can call that the superconscious. We can call that the inner being or your soul. So whatever it is that you call that aspect of yourself, that's not included in the unconscious, but it is included in the subconscious. So when I'm using my hypnosis like PSP or QHHT, we refer to the subconscious, and so that's everything outside of your conscious awareness, and that includes the higher self. And so I can work with whatever terminology that you want to work with. I just needed to explain that this is all the different conscious versus unconscious versus subconscious, so they understand all the terminology and how it relates. They're different models of how to look at the mind, and so we can split them out and use them interchangeably wherever we want to use them. So I hope you learned something there. If you did, make sure you give me the thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more great content like this. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, have a good one.